welcome to my first update of my game called Borda. Before I begin, I'd like to give a thanks to a few people who helped out with a few things that I could not make work. The first one is Paul, and the second one is Jake. I'll probably have their YouTube links in the description. Anyway, this game is a game where it's not going to be a random world terrain that keeps generating, going on and on forever. It's going to be like a world that is not really mostly about cubes. It's more about actual quality. But you do build with cubes, because there's not much else you can build with besides cubes. So you're going to use cubes to build with, but most of the other stuff is going to be like detailed houses and stuff that you can break holes in it and stuff. But it's going to be more detailed than regular games. So like inside the houses, you'll be able to rob it and stuff. There'll be vehicles and stuff, so that you can crash holes through buildings and all that fun stuff. But right now, what I have is the basics of the game, and so I'm just gonna go switch over to the game real quick so you guys can get a good look at it. I forgot to put a picture on there. Fantastic. Alright. So it's loading. Alright, so when you start out, you have one block. You can place one block and pick up one block until you get this backpack over here. This will let you pick up 31 blocks. So I'm just going to fill up my backpack with all the blocks over here. And right now I'm just this is wooden blocks. I didn't finish making it so that when you chop down the tree, you can chop each individual piece of wood into a piece of wood like this. So I'm just making it so that when you pick up a piece of dirt, that it'll turn into this right now. Since the axe is broken, I didn't add it right here yet, so I made it so that you could set the block around the tree, so you can chop it down like that for now. As you can see, the tree has a lot of physics in it too. You'll be able to use the axe to chop this apart, and then you'll be able to pick up each individual piece, and then you'll be able to get like these blocks out of it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how special these blocks are. Okay, these blocks, I'm going to call them wood that you can nail together, I guess, or glue together. What's special about these is you'll see it in a second. When I start to take some blocks off of here, you'll notice it starts to bending and stuff. That is because it has realistic physics, and that's going to make the game more fun, because you're going to have to support everything, but not everything. You can still have like a one block thingy like that, and you can have more than just you can do that. If you wanted to make it look really good, you could build it like that. If you just want to be sloppy, you could build it like this. And then you could be really sloppy and just do that. If you're a sloppy builder, you'd do that instead of I'm even getting stuck under here. You'd build that instead of building this if you're a sloppy builder. So like, you have to be very good at building this, because otherwise it's going to be a sloppy building. So there's like sloppy architects in this game now. So I'm gonna build a tower real quick, so you guys can see this physics in action. So you're gonna see this in fast forward. Alright, see you when I'm done building it. Alrighty, I have built the house now, and as you can see, it is very unstable, and it is completely ready to fall apart. Cause, oh boy. And there it went. As you can see, that was like the most realistic falling down building you can get. It always looks really cool when buildings fall down. So yeah, if you don't build a strong enough building, it will fall down. It's gonna take a lot of work to actually make it stay together and be stable. And you do not want vibrating blocks like this, because that'll slow down your game a lot. So if your building has anything like this, you should probably fix it, because that is way too much weight on that one block right there. So like all these blocks have a lot of stress on them, and all that crap. Yeah, so here's the inside of the building, and I should have a picture of what the inside used to look like right about now-ish, and then now you can see the inside of this one. I'm just gonna dig through the floors here so you can get a good look at that. Alright, so that's the top two floors, and then this is the bottom. Actually, not quite the bottom floor. There's one more floor after that, and then that is all the floors now, all the way fallen down like so. Alright, so I hope you guys like the game so far. I will have a download link on my webpage, so you guys can try the game out for yourself. I'm telling you, do not put too many of these blocks in the game at once. It'll slow it down. So you gotta be careful. So you gotta make sure you don't have vibrating bricks. That'll, if you have vibrating bricks, you might want to strengthen it there so there's less lag. Because what it does is whenever it touches another brick, it'll stick to that brick. So you gotta make sure if a vibrating block is happening, it's like going back and forth sticking to all the different bricks, so that'll slow down the game a lot. Alright, so thank you for watching. See you in the next update, I guess.